Welcome back to Taste of Change. I'm Dr. Irina Kolos. The program is supported by Bazaar and Wegmans supermarkets. Today we'll make something very popular and loved by people, chocolate chips cookies, but the slimming ones. We'll use oatmeal flour, almond flour, egg, margarine, pure fructose, and we'll use rolled oats also. At the end, I'll show you for what. Let's start with mixing. Margarine, it should be room temperature. Don't put it in the microwave. Soften it with room temperature several hours, or you can even take it out of refrigerator for the overnight. Half cup of fructose, which glycemic index is only 20 comparison to sugar, and comparison to almost 100 for sugar. And it tastes really lovely, unlike many artificial sweeteners. Also, fructose is sweeter, so we need about 30% less in amount. All this is very beneficial for slimming process. Right? You see, my butter is still not so soft, but it mixed. 1 egg, and continue mixing, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, maybe less. Let's continue mixing. When it is more or less homogenic, let's add the main ingredient, chocolate chips. And I was looking for them actually for years, and I've never seen dark chocolate chips. Dark means more than 70% cacao. And the glycemic index of this chocolate is only 20. It is very healthy product. But choose the right chocolate. So I was very surprised and excited to find it, and we are going to use it. The slimming chocolate. What? Half a cup enough? Slimming chocolate. Okay. It's easier to add it at this point when the butter is liquid, not dry. Okay, now flour, oatmeal flour. I use it a lot, and you know that you can find many other recipes with oatmeal flour, and I continue to repeat that it is very, very good product for everything with glycemic index of 40. Slimming again. So 1 cup, and let's add half for now, and we'll see later, because I want to add another flour, almond flour or almond meal. This is made from bleached almond meal, so it is white and very, it's not white, it's a little bit yellowish, but very small dispenser. Okay, fructose, we didn't forget anything. Well, now it's time for hand making, because you never can get the right consistency without feeling the texture of the dough. And I feel that we need to add another half cup of oatmeal flour. I made an oatmeal flour instead of this because I want it crispy, and making it only with almond meal will not make it crispy. That's why the choice is oatmeal. This is actually not a flour. This is chopped oats. You can do it at home. Make it at home. Well, this is nice. This is very nice structure we've got. Now, when the dough is ready, we need to put it in the refrigerator or freezer even for several hours, as many as you wish. I use wax paper and roll kind of a cylinder, so it is easier when later we'll take it out. It will be kind of already ready for cutting, which is good. It's very nice texture. You form the cylinder, and as you can see, the dough is not sticky, and wax paper, it doesn't stick to this, so we will not have any troubles to get rid of this wax paper when it is done. Roll it, and place it. I usually put it in freezer. Nothing bad happens, and minimum for 2-3 hours, but it can be there overnight also. When you take it out of the refrigerator, it looks very nice and sharp, and you see how easily it goes out. Nothing is sticking. Very nice. Now, I usually, that's why I'm making this cylinder. It is very easy to cut then. So you cut the size you want. And the thing I do next, I roll it a little bit in oats, in regular oats, just to get shape, and also extra oats are good, and it looks nice. You don't need to roll much because it's already the shape of round cookie. But I found it beneficial to have it covered a little bit. For this kind of work, you can assign your kids. And many times I hear that my kids don't eat it, they will not eat these cookies, they want another cookies, unhealthy cookies. But you know what? It doesn't work like this. Kids will eat whatever you make and whatever you serve. and whatever they use to have and cook. If they participate in this cooking, they'll eat it because it's delicious. Because it's delicious. Of course, you'll develop good habits in them. So when they grow up, they eat good food and they'll teach their kids. So it's a good investment in their character. This is the amount we get, and now they are going to preheat it to 355 degrees oven for 18-20 minutes. In just 20 minutes, you have a whole tray of wonderful, smells wonderful here cookies. Healthy, slimming, oatmeal and almond meal, chocolate chips cookies. How cool is that? Enjoy and get more videos, more recipes on weightdestiny.com and ActonTV.org. I'll see you next time.